Addition using textual coding. To calculate the sum of numbers in AI Connect, create a project. In it, create an activity. Then, follow the given steps to do textual coding. Here, we add 4 numbers, 3, 8, 9, 10. We can change values for other calculations. Step 1. Create a variable a. This variable will store the sum of 4 integers, 3, 8, 9 and 10. We will use addition arithmetic operator to add the numbers and define the type as int. A is equal to int 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Step 2. Print the sum of numbers using the following code. A is equal to int 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Print answer is A. Here, answer is a string and A is a variable. Output, answer is 30.